How's it going, guys? So for today's video, we're gonna be working on an installation for the C8, and believe it or not, we're gonna be working on a tow hook installation, part number vz102242, and mainly because we've gotten quite a few requests about the installation. So I'm gonna go ahead and have Leon do the installation. So as you guys can see, this particular tow hook comes in red and black. Available at vicrez.com. Once again, part number is vz102242.
So guys, for the installation, you just need like a flathead in order to take this plastic piece off right here in front of the front bumper. So it's super simple. All you gotta do is stick the flathead in the middle of the gap right here. As you can see, there's a gap right here. So stick it in real quick and then take this off like this. There we go. Just come up just like this and take this,
Like the little pin.
the little pin out, and that's it. So we're gonna put it on the sides, and now we're gonna take the tow hook and squeeze in the hole right here
Screw it in.
and twist it to the right until you tied it up. The installation is fairly easy. It's only taking you like 2 to 3 minutes,
Even less, yeah.
even less.
Yeah.
And just like that. There you go. And you're gonna keep this into your trunk or something in a safe place.
And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome content. And we'll see you guys next time.